Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dina Felicia Marani from D3 Administration Office 2018. Today I'll be presenting about my scientific work. The title is Analysis of Office 365 Application Systems at Special Advisor of Information Technology and System Integration in Investment Coordinating Board. So the first one is theoretical study. I have three theoretical study here. The first one is concept of Office 365. The second one is how to use Office 365, and the last one is concept of incoming mail and outgoing mail. Next one. The next one is framework of thinking. So each company or certain agency has its own way or step to achieving their documents. Of course, in achieving the document is value for the company. For the document must be done very carefully in order to produce a good output. From generation to generation, technology has developed very significantly, especially within the investment coordinating board. The use of web archiving application has been implemented. In that way, workers are required to process documents effectively and efficiently using Office 365 application. Next one. The next one is writing methodology. I write writing methodology in Indonesian Investment Coordinating Board uh, due to from 5 January 2021 to 6 March 2021. The next one. The next one is research methodology. I use qualitative methodology. So, using this method by observing the entire process of document management activities and looking at all information from various sources. The next one. The next one is data collection technique. So I use field research. Field research is in working on my scientific work. My I use the observation method by going directly into the field to find out and look for the data that is needed for me in completing my scientific work. So the information from various sources, such as the manager in division, so there are no misunderstanding when used as research material. The next one. So the next one is case description. In each company, this supporting application have various kinds. One of them in Office 365 application. This application is used in the Investment Coordinating Board for Information Technology and System Integration Expert System. This application is used as a support in managing documents, but the use of Office 365 is still not optimal, namely the lack of maintenance of the Office 365 system, and the last one is the unstructured sorting of incoming and outgoing mail. The next one. So the next one is analysis. Analysis are using SWOT. The first one is range. The limitation of system maintenance and the document searching will cause a lack of employee work power. So investment coordinating board needs to provide system improvements, thereby improving the performance of employees. The second one is weakness. This can also lead to a tendency to find out difficult to hire something because they are still considered as a contract employees. From a company, it's also necessary to find employees who are highly dedicated to the company. The third one is opportunities. In this case, to achieve a good performance, skills and knowledge of employees, opportunities are needed to increase the credibility of a company. Okay. And the last one is threats. Threats are often challenge for a company. Trust can rise both internally and internally. So the company should solve the problem from their division. Next, the conclusion. So the first one conclusion is each company has its own document management system, which of course must have efficient management standards. They are well maintained. In a company, shorting mail is very necessary thing to do, so that the company has a trace history. In the description of the case study by the author or me, the maintenance of the document management system requires repair time because the system is used in the newly formed part of investment coordinating board. Okay, and next one, the last one is there's a suggestion from the author in achieving incoming and outgoing mail, namely the letter should be divided into documents, namely the soft copy and hard copy. And the last one is suggestion. So the document management system must be well maintained. Employees who manage these documents need to be aware that document security is number one. The effectiveness of sorting documents such as mails and meeting time is further divided into two forms that will make it easier for employees to manage this document. So I examined several recommendations for the company. There they are. First one is the document management system in Office 365 applications need to be referred by improving the features used in this application in document management. And the last one is sorting incoming and outgoing mail is connect to Office 365 application system directly so that it can be formed into documents, soft copy and hard copy. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. Sorry if I'm lack of presenting about my scientific work. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.